It is Nick's Apple Tech Lab again here for another video. Today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to choose an application for certain types of files to be opened with using Mac. So first of all, you're going to want to find the file which you want to download. So I'm going to find the file which is here. So allow my internet to take forever to load. Okay, maybe not. Alright, there we go. So let's go to Files, and we're going to go ahead and download this one right here. Give it 5 seconds here. And it is completely downloaded. So here it is. As you can see, it's got a strange icon on it. Well, allow me to show you what that does. Let's drag it out of there and put it on our desktop. So, let's say that you want to unzip this. Well, I have an app known as the Unarchiver from Apple App Store. You can download it by going to the App Store and searching for the Unarchiver. And just go on here, select this, will say open or get, and then install, and then do your Touch ID or whatever password it is you need. And there you go. Then you can open it from there if you like, and come down here and you'll find it right in here. For me, I find it, where did I put it? I found it right here, so here it is. Here's all my other apps and stuff. So, and if you don't find it in there, go to the Finder, and if Applications isn't here, all you have to do is search for the Applications folder. And here's the Applications folder. Do not select, as you can see here, this folder does not have the Applications icon. So double check. Okay, this one isn't it because it's got wineskin in it. That's not it either. So it's this one. So I think it's either of these. This one is for this one's for the utilities, and this one is for the good old applications. So, this one. Yeah, so and you'll find it right in here, which it will be found. You can always use this button right here to group them. I'm going to do this so it's easier to find them, and it is not in here. So you can find them in applications if you go right here. This is where all of your applications are. Those are just some of them. So here it is right there. Anyways, once you find it, you will if you want to open the file type of your choice in that specific way, all you need to do is use 2 fingers, trackpad click. If you're on a mouse, you need to right click and select Get Info. And under Get Info, you'll see this tab called Open With. Click on that arrow beside it, and here it says right here, the Unarchiver, which is default. So all you got to do if you need to change this, normally it is the Archive utility if you don't have the Unarchiver installed. So if you don't, be sure to go to the App Store and download it, as I said earlier in this video. And as you can see, you can change it to the Unarchiver, which is the default. Now, if you need to change this setting for every single file of this type, which is the .jar, which is for Java, it's like a similar to .zip, but it's for a Java format. So all you have to do is select Change All, and it'll ask you to continue. So I'm not going to do that though because I want it to be the Unarchiver. So you would click Continue and would change all of them, and then you can just X out of here. Now we're just going to change all of them, continue. And the next out of this, and you're done. now every time you open it, double click on it or right click and select open, or you can select open with. And if it says something like this, it's okay. You can fix this, and I'll show you how. Go to System Preferences, Security and Privacy, and go to General. And as you can see here, it says the Titans, whatever the file that is, was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer. It's a totally safe file, depending on if you think it's up to you to depict if it's safe or not. So we're gonna click open anyway, and it's gonna ask you to confirm it. If you don't think it's a safe file, it's totally up to you. You can always select cancel. So go ahead and click open, unless you want to click cancel and you don't feel safe about it. It is totally safe. I've tested plenty of times, and it'll give you this. It'll start extracting. If you want to cancel it, just click this X. And here we go. Here's the file you're looking for here. Double click on this, and you'll be brought to everything. By the way, if there is an arrow beside, you can just click on that and it'll show you everything in it. So here's all the things you need to have in it and all this stuff. This stuff will vary depending on the file. So anyways, thank you guys. I thank you all so very much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to leave a like on this video. Comment down below how well I did on it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and my Minecraft channel if you enjoy Minecraft content as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.